In 1914, a single event shook the world. The assassination of a leader set Europe on a path to war.
What began as a local crisis soon drew in empires. Alliances turned tension into a global conflict that spread across continents. Soldiers marched with pride, believing the war would be over by Christmas. Instead, they faced years of unimaginable hardship. On the Western Front, trenches...
Can you believe I made this entire history documentary ink-brush-style video completely free with Veo 3? In this style, maps, figures, and scenes appear sketched with ink or paint, giving it an aged documentary feel, almost like flipping through an old manuscript. Veo 3 is Google's latest AI video generator, and honestly, it feels like having a professional film crew right on your laptop. It can take a simple text prompt and turn it into cinematic, animated, or any style of video you want, complete with camera movements, lighting, and even narration. The best part? You get 100 free credits just by signing in with Gmail. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Veo 3, how to write better prompts, and how to get the most out of it, even if you're brand new to AI video tools. Step 1. Writing a prompt. The first thing you need is a solid prompt. I've already prepared one for you. It actually took me about 8 hours of research and testing to perfect it. If you'd like me to share that prompt, just drop your email in the comments below and I'll send it to you. Step 2, using Veo 3. Once you've got your prompt, head over to Google's AI Veo 3 model. This tool was built by DeepMind, and it generates videos that truly look cinematic. Unlike most AI tools, Veo 3 really understands camera angles, scene composition, and atmosphere. It also automatically generates audio, which is a big time saver. Now let's paste in our prompt and adjust a couple of settings, like choosing a 16:9 aspect ratio and selecting how many outputs we want per prompt. One of the coolest features of Veo 3 is narration. By adding text inside quotes, the AI automatically includes voiceover for your video. Hit generate and you'll see the results instantly.
In 1914, a single event shook the world. The assassination of Archduke...
It sounds great, and it means you don't need to spend extra money on voiceover software. Once you're happy with the result, downloading is super simple. Just hover over your video, click the little download icon in the top right corner, and you'll get an MP4 file ready to use anywhere.
Began as a local crisis soon drew in empires. Alliances turned tension into a global conflict that spread across continents. What began as a local crisis soon drew in empires. Soldiers marched with pride, believing the war would be over by Christmas. Instead, they faced years of unimaginable hardship. Machine guns, poison gas, and tanks changed warfare forever. On the Western Front, trenches stretched for miles, mud, barbed wire, and endless artillery fire defined daily survival. On the Western Front.
Last step, editing in CapCut. Now that we've got our videos, you can bring them together in CapCut. Just open CapCut, create a new project, and import your downloaded Veo 3 clips. From there, you can trim, arrange, and add transitions to make your video flow smoothly. For this particular video, I didn't need much editing, but if you want to polish your projects further, CapCut is a great tool.
In 1914, a single event shook the world. The assassination of Archduke...
So here's the final result, an artistic ink-brush style video that blends history with illustration. Instead of looking like modern footage, the visuals carry a textured, handcrafted feel, almost like scenes brought to life from the pages of an ancient chronicle.
In 1914, a single event shook the world. The assassination of a leader set Europe on a path to war.
What began as a local crisis soon drew in empires. Alliances turned tension into a global conflict that spread across continents. Soldiers marched with pride, believing the war would be over by Christmas. Instead, they faced years of unimaginable hardship. On the Western Front, trenches stretched for miles. Mud, barbed wire, and endless artillery fire defined daily survival. Machine guns, poison gas, and tanks changed warfare forever. At home, families rationed food. Women filled factories. Entire towns waited anxiously for sons who might never return. By 1918, the war had claimed over 16 million lives. When the armistice was signed, the guns finally fell silent. But peace came with grief, not celebration.
The land bore craters and ruin. Survivors carried invisible wounds, haunted by memories of the trenches.
World War I was called the war to end all wars. Instead, it opened a turbulent century still shaped by its shadow.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Next time, I'll create a cinematic and anime-style manga series with Veo 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.